So I have connected everything as per instruction: TTGO board, power supply, motor controller, motor, and this is coin collector. So if I put the coin, the motor is running, and what I do is I remove the power supply to the TTGO board. Now just removing the motor has stopped. Everything else is running. Motor controller, coin collector is also running. And if I power, nothing is happening. So that is the same. I'm waiting for 10 seconds. There is no motor operation. And again, I put this. Motor is again running. Again running. And power supply off to the TTGO. Plus TTGO. And power. Motor is not running. Anything is not happening.